Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Gladia and I be the chef. Today I'm super excited for this video. I will be making Beloved inspired seafood butter sauce. So if you're interested, keep on watching. The first thing I will do is start by melting 5 sticks of unsalted butter. In this bowl, I have 2 diced onions, 2 habanero peppers, and 7 cloves of garlic. Next, I will be mixing all of the seasonings together and I will be using a tablespoon each, except for the brown sugar. I will be using 2 tablespoons. You can add more seasonings if you want to. That's why I love cooking so much, because you get to make things your own. Right here, I'm adding a little bit of water. Next time, I will try adding seafood stock. I also added a tablespoon of ginger off camera. In these few clips, I will be showing you how I boil the crab, the potatoes, and corn, and all that good stuff. As you can see, I added some Old Bay seasoning to the water, and I'm boiling the potato first because it takes the longest. In my description box, I will have a list of everything I use in this video. But I have here snow crab, eggs, corn, sausage, potato, and what else? Shrimp. I will let this boil for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, I will drain the water and get to eating. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this recipe. And yeah, I will talk to you in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.